Okay, well done, welcome back. You should now have a game that allows the user to move the bat left and right. One of the problems I'm sure you came across is that the bat continued to move even after you let go of the left or right button. And also it probably went through the wall, so we need to address those two situations now. So this is so important, and it's a lesson to learn that the computer will not do anything unless you tell it to. So even as much as when the key is released, so when you let go of the key, we must tell the bat to stop moving. So let's have a look in the events section, and we've got here when a key is released. So we can click on that. Now we could say left and then set the speed to 0, and then we could do right and set it to 0. Or we could just say when any key is released, because we know that they're only actually going to be using the left and right keys in this game. So either one of those by pressing release any key. And what do we want to happen? Well, we want the horizontal speed to set to 0. Horizontal goes across the page, or the screen in this case, so we want to set that horizontal speed to 0. So we drag that in, self, yep, we want the bat, and then we want to change it to speed. So what we're saying is when somebody let goes of a key, change that bat speed, which would have been 12, back to 0 so it stops. Now we've also got an issue with the bat going through the wall. So what we need to do is add another event, and this event is a collision event. So when the bat has a collision with the wall, so we click on collision, we select wall, what we want to do as well is set the horizontal speed to 0. Okay, so as soon as it hits the wall, we're going to set that speed to 0 as well. Okay, so if I run my game now, what you'll see here is when I press the left key, you have to take my word for it that I am, and let go, it stops. I can move it across here, hold it down and hit the wall, it stops also. Okay, so it will not go through the wall now. Okay, add that to your game now for me, please.